Good day everyone. I'm Maria Fatima Chavez and I'm here to discuss my topic, the automatic water level detector with alarm system for sequence control and PLC. First, what is sequence control and PLC? Sequence control can be a pneumatic or electro-pneumatic control. Pneumatic is one of the oldest form of energy used in automation technology. Due to increasing demand and cost, it was replaced by electrical circuit, and later on, as electronics advances, controller have been developed, and it is PLC or the Programmable Logic Controller. The biggest advantage of using programmable controllers is that they can replace the complications of rewiring the hardwired control panels with simple software revisions when there's a change in process, product model, or sequence of operation. They can operate under extended temperature ranges, have immunity to electrical noises, and have resistance to vibrations and impact. Now, let's have a brief tour of our place to relate my topic with sequence control and PLC. It can be used in the flood prone areas like in this video. As you have seen in the first video, the spillways area is too low, and when there is a typhoon or when it rains hard, the water level rises too fast, and this will cause the residents on the other side to be trapped due to fast water current. I suggest to put a water level detector using PLC. It can be attached to the post here that when the maximum water level assigned was reached, the program will activate the alarm to alert the residents to evacuate the area or be ready. Actually, these posts are not here originally, but when a strong typhoon hits the area, the water passage was blocked by both bamboos and garbages, causing the water level to block the area and cause damage to properties. Also, the crops and plants in the area will not be transported and probably rot. The water level sensor attached should have a cover above to prevent false alarm. So, different levels can be assigned depending on how dangerous it can be. and different sounds for each purposes. A sensor will be used to detect these levels and the program itself monitors the alarm. PLCs are easily programmed and have an easily understood programming language. Since it is automated, the residents in the flood-prone areas do not have to worry any time of the day. Now, to end this video, I will now show you a brief summary of the whole topic through an animation. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.